Hi everybody, I know that some of you are a little bit time poor, so I'm going to try and summarise the main points of the lecture this week in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Buckle up! The arrival of any new technology has often been met with some kind of critical anxiety. Sometimes this anxiety manifests itself in the creation of a moral panic. And something like a moral panic has been said to have taken place in the realm of digital technology, particularly of mobile phones and social media platforms in recent years. This draws on work in the kind of space of psychology, which looks at the ways in which schedules of reinforcement, behavioural reinforcement, can vary depending on whether or not we get consistent or variable feedback. If we get a like for our photos, we might get a dopamine hit when we use our Facebook or Instagram account. And this is something that social platforms have built into how they operate and have done so for a relatively short period of time now. What we are seeing is whenever we produce an action on a website or a platform, we get an effect, and that effect often turns into some kind of positive feedback loop. It's very similar to gambling, and gambling, of course, causes problems, but it's also something we see very similar with video games. You press a button, you get an action. This is something referred to as juice. And as we move towards new technologies and as we move towards a metaverse, we do wonder sometimes whether or not that juice might be counterproductive, and we may find ourselves ever connected devices but ever disconnected from one another. And it's something that even the creator of these platforms have expressed some anxiety about. The short-term dopamine driven feedback loops are destroying how society works.